Good evening, everybody. My name is Rebecca Kaplan, and I'm one of the PLTW engineering teachers here at Weston Middle School. And I teach all three grade levels. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. In 8th grade, your child will take automation and robotics. So what we're going to be doing this year is learn about what robotics engineers do and the systems that they use to create automated systems. However, one of the most important things that kids are going to learn how to do this year is do the things that those kinds of engineers do. So they're going to be making projects using the VEX robotics system. So you can see the VEX robotics systems in the three photographs here on the right-hand side. One of the pictures, bottom right, is a project that one of my students created, and you'll see more in the following pages. They're also going to learn text-based coding in a program called Robotics. It's sort of like if JavaScript and C++ had a baby. It's not the we have another system that we use for the robotics team that we use C++ for. So it's a slightly different system, but this is a really nice drag and drop way of introducing students to text-based coding, which is a step forward from the block-based coding that we teach in 6th grade engineering classes here at Weston Middle School. On the right-hand side, you can see some projects that students have made, and on the left-hand side, you can see the programming environment that we use here. This is a project that a set of students made 2 years ago. So they designed, built, and programmed this project completely on their own. And you can see there's little red touch sensors on there. There's some green motors. And the project was the light sensors would sense when the elevator got to a certain level. And then the buttons on the far side could be used to call the elevator to a different level or a different floor. So it's just a model of something that might be used in a real life situation. Here's an example of a program that they used to create this project, and this was completely student created. Okay, we have more programs here. This is a mobile robot. So these would be final projects that students were doing. These kids designed a robot with light sensors on it that you can see underneath the robot, and we taped down a black track on the bottom at the back of the room. And this was a lot of fun because the boys here went back and forth and really had a lot of time to iterate their project to get the coding quite right. You can see as the robot self-corrects as it goes along the course. Okay, this is another project. I'm not going to show too much here because I'm getting to my close to my 5-minute limit. If you have any questions, you can email me at rebeccakaplan@westonps.org. These are a few photographs of your kids on their first build day. They actually did build something on the first couple of days of school. You can tell it's this year because they're wearing masks at school. And I don't think a lot of the kids know exactly what they're doing, but I taught them how to use nuts and bolts, and they're doing their best to put things together. Like I said, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to email me at rebeccakaplan@westonps.org. Have a great day.